Good morning, class 3rd. Now we are going to start today our chapter 2nd, that is hardware and software. In today class we are going to do hardware part only. Let's start with this part. Okay. Now what is hardware? The physical part of a computer that you can touch or feel are called hardware. As a human body consists of many parts. Some parts are visible but some parts are not visible. Like if you talk about our hands, hair, nose, eyes, those parts are visible. But if I talk about my heart, lungs, those parts are inside our body. We can't see them. Okay. Similarly, computer has many parts which we can see or some parts which we cannot see. Like we can see keyboard, mouse, CPU. But inside CPU we have many things like hard disk, CPU chips, many things we are having. Those things we cannot see. We can see only when we open the body of CPU. Okay. Now the hardware consists of three parts: input devices, output devices and storage devices. Now first is input devices. These are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers, sound, pictures into a computer. With the help of input devices, we are giving data to the computer. Okay, we are inputting the data into the computer for further processing. These are called input devices. Example: keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. In my previous videos, I have told you about all the input devices like trackball, scanner, web camera. I have told you earlier. You can refer those videos for detail. Okay. Now move to the next slide. That is our output devices. The devices which display the information and result after processing. First, the data is input into the computer. Second step is processing. Third is output. After processing, what we get, that is our output. Output is displayed with the help of output devices. Output devices are monitor, printer, etc. We can see in the picture many output devices are there. Monitor, different type of monitor, printer, speakers. Okay, these all are the output devices. Monitor looks like a TV screen. Whatever you type on the keyboard can be seen on the monitor. Printer, what printer do? It print the output that you see on the computer screen on the paper. Speakers are used to hear music. So these are the output devices. Next is our storage devices. Storage devices are used to store data into the computer. Two type of storage devices we have done: internal storage and external storage. Internal storage consists of RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory, ROM is read-only memory. Secondary storage is RCD, pen drive, hard disk. All these are our secondary devices. Now we can read the slide. The devices used for storing data are called storage devices. Hard disk is the main storage devices which store the entire work we do on computer. Other important devices are CD, pen drive and DVD to store the information. We can see in the picture there are many type of storage devices we are using currently. Okay, these are the CDs, DVD, pen drive, floppy disk, hard disk, and these are the memory cards we are using. Now just for a revision, what we have done today: two basic parts of computer system: hardware, software. What hardware consists of? Hardware consists of input devices, output devices and storage devices. Okay. Input devices consist of, example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone, etc. Output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Storage devices are CD, hard disk, pen drive, etc. Okay. Now for today it's enough. Just do it carefully and properly. In next video I am just going to complete this chapter. Okay. Thank you.